everyone, I'm Karen from UBU Yoga and Fitness. Today I'd like to show side crow and the variation that extends the back leg out. Side crow brings your legs perpendicular to the rib cage and parallel to the ground, and then that variation, the upper leg will press back and forth. It's a great strengthener for your core unit. It's pretty cool to use in a yoga flow. I'll show us by starting out with a yogi squat. Just have a seat, squat, feel the stretch here. Use the edge of your yoga mat to place each palm, the base of each palm. Line it up so that your fingers are really spread out. Give yourself as much of a base as you can for an arm balance, all arm balances. And line your arms up so that they fit between the hip bone and your kneecap on the thigh. Then, with your knees forward facing, your fingers sideways facing, lift high enough to get your thigh to clear the elbows. You have to be able to bend your arms to get the lift. With your thigh above the elbows, lift, stack the knees, really lift the feet. Feel your legs like one unit, long through the neck. Press the legs out, hold, let your body grab it. Then take the upper leg, press back. You've got to dip your head a little lower. Then lift the head back up slightly, stack again, and release. Land in a yogi squat. Just settle your body. I like to create a full cycle of movement with an arm balance. The way we start and the way we get in is important. And then breathe. Just let your body seal in that challenge that you just posed to it. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Enjoy arm balancing. Add this arm balance in your yoga flow. It's a great one to add after a chair pose, after a prayer twist, and even a yogi squat. Just get that lift in and have some fun with your flows. Everybody have a great day. Thanks for watching. Namaste.